Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 ways that you can start earning a passive income. So let's get into it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 ways that you can start to earn a passive income. So before I share these methods with you, I just want to explain what a passive income really is. Because people seem to throw that term around a lot and they get kind of confused about what it actually is. Some people think a passive income is where you're just sitting back and you're just watching the money start to roll in. But in order for you to earn a passive income, you have to be active. Now, what I mean by this is, let's say that you create an online course which is gonna be able to allow you to create a passive income. In order for you to get people to enroll into your course, you have to actively be promoting your course. You have to let people know that you have a course that you're selling, or else nobody's gonna know that you have one. So you have to be actively promoting your course, whether it's on social media, whether you're paying for advertisements, or whether you're uploading YouTube videos where you're delivering valuable content that's based around the niche that you're in. So this is what I mean when I say you need to be active in order to earn a passive income. So when getting started with that passive income, it's not like a regular job where you're trading your time for money. You put in the work and then you get paid at the end of the week or every other week. You have to put in the work up front, and it can be a day before you get paid, or a month, or even 6 months or a year. It's all different. It depends on what method you're using and how active you are when it comes to promoting your method of earning a passive income. So now that I explained what a passive income is, let me talk about the 5 different ways that you can start to earn a passive income. But before I go any further, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel, Motivational Marketer. And if you guys are interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And if you want my #1 recommendation when it comes to earning a passive income, check out the link in the top of the description. So the first method that I have for you guys that you can use to earn a passive income is by selling online courses. Now, if you have a particular skill, or if you're knowledgeable in a certain area and you know people would be willing to pay money to learn that skill or to have that knowledge, then you can make a passive income by selling online courses. So a great website where you can do this is called Teachable. So in order for you to get started, you first have to plan out what your online course is going to be about, and then you have to actually create it. So since it's going to be an online course, it is going to be video based. So you would have to be either on camera, but if you're not comfortable being on camera, there's other ways around it. I mean, you can record your screen on your computer and then just do a voiceover over your screen recording, where you're showing somebody how to do something step by step. Now, usually people who have online courses, they have a series of videos just where they're breaking down how to do something step by step. And this is a great way most people learn, is by going through the whole process where you're guiding them and showing them as an example on how to do something or learn how to do something new step by step. So once you record your course, the next thing for you to do is go to teachable.com and then you sign up to become a teacher. So once you do that, you're going to upload your course onto Teachable, and then you're going to set the price that you want to charge people to enroll into your course. Now, the next thing is that you have to actually get people to enroll into your course to start making money. So this is what I mean when I say you have to be active in order to start earning a passive income. But I just want you guys to think about this for a minute. If you have a course that you're selling for $500 and you get 10 people to enroll into your course a month, you just made $5,000 in a month, and that's a pretty good payday. Now, if you think about it, you could be earning a full-time income passively just by creating a course one time. So that's something to think about if you have a certain knowledge or skill that you can share and teach to other people. So the next method is through a website called Shutterstock. So you can earn a passive income by selling stock photos. So just to give you guys an example, if you've ever gone on the internet and done a Google image search, which I'm pretty sure everybody has, then you've probably seen pictures that have watermarks over them. If you wanted to use that picture without the watermark, you would have to pay for the rights to use that photo. Now this is what Shutterstock does. If anybody comes to this website and they like a photo and they want to be able to use it without the watermark, they would have to pay for the rights to use it. And the person who uploaded that photo would make a royalty. So you can make money by uploading your own photos onto Shutterstock and selling the rights to people who want to buy that photo. Now usually people who come to these stock websites, they usually pay for pictures where it's of nature scenery, of sports, of business, and of other people. So if you can get great looking photos of these categories, then you can earn a passive income, because you can sell the same photo to multiple people. So imagine selling one photo to 100 people. You're passively making an income off of one photo. Now the good thing about Shutterstock is that it's not only limited to photos. You can also upload your own stock footage and stock music, and I believe even vector art. So that's something to look into if you can create content in any of those categories. So the third way that you can earn a passive income is by selling digital products. Now, an online course would fit into this category, but there's other things that you can sell as digital products as well. For example, you can sell ebooks or even memberships to a website. So if you know how to create ebooks, you can create your own ebook and then sell it to people on sites like Amazon or even on your own website. And if you have your own website, you could sell memberships to that website. Maybe you're giving people access to cooking recipes if that's what your website is about, or you're giving people access to real estate tips and lessons, or people access to different ways to make money online. It all depends on what your website is about. So the fourth method that you can use to earn a passive income is what you're on right now, which is YouTube. It can take you a while to start earning money with YouTube because they require you to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time before you can start to monetize your channel. But once you get that ball rolling, you can start to earn a passive income because YouTube is 24/7. You can go to sleep and wake up with some extra money just from AdSense from YouTube. But this isn't the only way that you can make money from YouTube. You can make money by selling your own merchandise, your own products, or even through affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is the fifth way that you can earn a passive income. Now, this is a great way to start making money because you don't have to have your own products to sell in order to start making money online. All you're doing, if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link that's coded to you directly. So whenever somebody clicks on that link and they purchase that product that you're promoting, then you earn a commission. Now, the whole idea of affiliate marketing is pretty simple, but there's a lot of steps involved if you're trying to become successful with it. For example, there's the whole process of creating an email list, finding your niche, building a landing page, and setting up an autoresponder sequence. I know it sounds like a lot if you're new to affiliate marketing, but it's not really all that complicated. And if you guys are interested in learning more about it, I've talked about affiliate marketing in more detail in past videos, and I'll leave a link in the cards if you guys are interested in learning more. Well, those are the 5 tips that I have for you guys when it comes to earning a passive income. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some value from it. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below. And as I mentioned earlier, if you guys want my #1 recommendation when it comes to earning a passive income, then check out the link in the top of the description. So that's basically it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.